Opportunity cost is a fundamental concept in economics that refers to the value of the next best alternative that is foregone when a decision is made to allocate resources in a particular way. It emphasizes the trade-offs inherent in every choice, highlighting that every action has a cost associated with it in terms of what must be given up. Key aspects of opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is defined as the loss of potential gain from other alternatives when one alternative is chosen. This means that when you make a choice, you forego other options that could have provided benefits. Importance in decision making. Understanding opportunity cost is crucial for effective decision making. It helps individuals and businesses weigh the potential benefits of different choices and consider what they might be sacrificing by selecting one option over another. Examples of opportunity cost. Personal finance. If an individual decides to spend $1,000 on a vacation instead of investing it, the opportunity cost would be the potential returns they could have earned from that investment. Education. A student who chooses to go to college may incur tuition costs and forego income from working full-time. The opportunity cost includes both the tuition fees and the wages lost during the time. Business decisions. A company that decides to invest in new machinery instead of expanding its workforce faces an opportunity cost represented by the potential productivity gains from hiring additional employees. Types of opportunity cost. Explicit costs. These are direct monetary costs associated with a decision, such as the price of goods or services. Implicit costs. These are non-monetary costs, such as the value of time spent or the enjoyment of leisure that is sacrificed when making a choice. If this video is useful for you, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel.